Welcome to our video comparing two of the most popular portable countertop dishwashers on the market, the Gudsunal and the Silonn. Both of these compact dishwashers are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small kitchens, RVs, and apartments. Today, we'll explore their features, specifications, and what sets them apart so you can make an informed choice for your dishwashing needs. When it comes to pricing, the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $329, while the Silonn model is more budget-friendly at $269. This difference in price may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your dishwashing needs. Next, let's look at the water tank capacity. The Gudsunal features a larger 7-liter water tank, which allows for more cleaning without the need for frequent refills. In contrast, the Silonn has a 5-liter tank, making it slightly less convenient for larger loads. This could be a significant factor if you often have a lot of dishes to wash. Finally, let's compare the drying methods. The Gudsunal utilizes a hybrid drying system that combines hot air with a preservation function, ensuring your dishes remain fresh. On the other hand, the Silonn employs a PTC hot drying system, which also effectively dries dishes but lacks the preservation feature. Depending on your priorities, this could sway your choice between the two. In conclusion, both the Gudsunal and Silonn portable dishwashers offer unique features that cater to different needs. If you value a larger water tank and a preservation function, the Gudsunal may be the better option for you. However, if you're looking for a more compact and budget-friendly choice with effective cleaning capabilities, the Silonn could be the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.